1. Lie on your right side on the mat. 2. Place your right palm flat on the mat directly under your right shoulder. Arms straight, elbow locked, avoid hyperextension. 3. Legs straight out from your hips. Feet in line, heel to toe, not stacked. Left foot in front, right foot behind, both touching the mat. 4. Engage your core and lift your hips off the mat into a side plank position. Your body should form a straight diagonal line from head to heels. 5. Place your left hand behind your head, elbow bent, with fingers lightly touching the nape of your neck. Crunch movement. 1. Exhale as you bring your left elbow down and forward toward your right knee, bending your left knee to meet it. Focus on rotating your torso slightly forward. Keep your right leg extended and stable on the mat. 2. Inhale as you return to the starting side plank position. Left elbow back up. Left leg straight again. Perform 8 to 15 reps on one side depending on your fitness level. Switch sides. Left arm on mat, right arm behind head for balance. Keep hips lifted, don't let them sag. Avoid pulling your neck with your hand. Control the crunch, don't use momentum. Engage your obliques and core throughout. Please check my next video.